Clark B, I'm here to answer your question today. A question provided by a viewer through a comment he left on my video, What to Expect After HVAC Trade School. Clark, I'm here to read your question out, then I'm going to answer, and I'm going to give you that special sauce today, the special secret sauce that people don't really think about when they're trying to find the perfect school to go to. If you haven't checked out the video, check it out. Clark, let's read your question. It says, Clark is moving to Las Vegas area and thinking about going to HVAC training. I want to be the best technician I can be. And an honest one. Clark, you're starting off really well. I like you already, man. I know how it feels to be taken advantage of by a money-hungry tech. A lot of people do. It is sad. Can anyone help with advice on finding a good training school and/or company? So, most really good schools have meetings that they do once a month. Some do more than that, and they're usually called something like advisory committee meetings. And that is where most of the contractors, dealers, companies in the area are coming to the school to meet with the teacher, to talk with the students. They'll have speakers, and they'll be talking about what to expect, and they'll be talking to different companies to meet them to figure out what the requirements are that they're going to be looking at as students coming out of school and graduating. My advice to you, call the companies and ask them what school you should go to. And don't just call one company, call a bunch of the companies. And then you're going to find out where the school is that's probably the most recommended. And how you know what's the most recommended is how many people graduated and had jobs after that school. That's a way to really tell for sure what your target is going to need to be for you to have good job placement. So you figure out, hey, do you hire people from, okay, this is a typical phone call. Call a dealer, ring, ring. Hey, I'm Clark. Hey, I was just wondering if there was a school near you guys that you look for when you look for new interns. Do you have any internships? That's another thing. A good school has internships with a company, and you can actually go to that school, and then that's how you can figure out where you need to get a job, because you look at the interns that have already been through the internships with the companies, and you ask the interns, the students that were previously there, questions. Hey, how was it there? Was it good? This is what I'm looking for. But that's what you need to do. You need to call the companies and find out, hey, do you guys have any specific schools that you look for when you're wanting to hire a new technician? Do you have any schools that you primarily focus on? Do y'all have any schools that you go to that hold meetings that I could go to maybe to learn more? That's where you're going to figure out where everybody is getting hired at. And then you're going to be able to talk to some hirees and figure out what their experience is. And that's exactly what I would do if I were you. You can look online and research, but people that have experience are going to be able to give you the real answers that you need, because a lot of people get stuck in a circle and it's not the right circle, and you sometimes never find the right path. I don't want that to happen to you, Clark. Use my advice, and if anybody's watching this video and this video provides you with value, take a look in the link in the description to my Patreon. Go subscribe. It's like 15 cents a day is what you're going to give me, less than 15 cents. I need that to keep doing videos, and I love giving you guys more valuable information every day. So thanks for watching, guys.